Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to learn about custom labels in Salesforce. Now, this is a very important topic for both admin and developers because the custom labels helps us to avoid hard coding text inside the Salesforce. Sometimes you may see some message like record created successfully, access denied, please contact administrator. You will see in sometimes in Salesforce. So instead of writing this message directly in Apex, validation rules, and flows or lightning components, we can store this text in custom labels and reuse whenever we want or anywhere. So let's understand what is custom labels are, why we use them, and how we can create custom labels by step. So first we need to understand what is custom label. So let's start with basic idea. A custom label is a custom text value that can be accessed from different places in Salesforce. Means it's just a container or the storage location. It contains some text. Whenever we want the text, you can directly access by using that location. In real-time example, imagine your company use the message like please contact your system administrator. So the same text you usually use in different places. For example, validation rules, Apex classes, flows, lightning components. Okay. So instead of typing everywhere, create one custom label. Whenever the message changes, update it once. Everywhere else get update automatically. It is very useful, right? So instead of typing this message in all the place like validation rules, Apex classes, flows, lightning component, create one custom label. Okay. So write the message in that. Whenever the message changes, update it once. For example, if you want to add any other error message, you just update that only one custom label. So everywhere automatically that text will be updated automatically. It will make our work easier. So we will go with one small example, then it will more easier to understand how we can use the custom labels in validation rules. So now let's see a real-time example how custom label works with validation rules. So scenario is, suppose whenever a new user try to save the record, it may be a contact record or account record or lead record. So without entering a phone number, Salesforce should show an error message like phone number is mandatory. Normally, we write the error message directly inside the validation rules. Okay. So how, for example, if you click on this gear icon, go to edit object. In object manager, we need to go to validation rules. We simply click on new. So once we click on new, we need to write the validation rule name and description and some conditions. And here we write normal error message. So this is works fine. So but you imagine you use the same message in different validation rules. For example, currently it is for the account record. Okay. So same like I have a one more object like leads. So in leads also I have phone number. So in here also I need to add same validation rules like phone number is mandatory. So without phone number I don't need to proceed. So in that time what actually happened, same like phone number I used in many times in my Salesforce application. But imagine you use the same message in 20 different validation rules. So what happened? It works fine. But for example, your business wants to change the text. Like for example, number should be start with +91 like that. So in that time, what happened? You need to change all the 20 places that text. But using custom fields, we can just change in one place, automatically applied in everywhere. So how we can do? So first we will create one custom label, then it will more easier to understand. So first we need to click on gear icon, click on setup. Then in quick find box, you need to search like custom labels. So once you search, click on custom labels. In here, we need to click on new custom label because we are creating new one, right? So I will enter like phone required message. Then we need to set the value. In value, it's a mandatory. We need to enter the actual message. I will enter like phone number is mandatory. Okay. Then click on save. So we created a custom label. How we can use in real time? So I will go to object manager. I will go to account record. I will go to validation rules. So I will only show the validation rules, how we can use the custom label. In real time, we will use this same thing in flows, Apex classes, Lightning components. But for your understanding purpose, I will only create one validation rules. I will click on new. So validation rules is phone number validation. In here, we need to enter the condition. So currently I entered two things. One is blank function. So is blank will check it is currently having the value or not. The phone number field having the value or not. And the not means field should contains only 0 to 9 numbers and it contains only 10 digits, not more than that. So then to come to error message. For error message is we already defined the error message. Okay. So how we can use that? Simply click on dollar symbol, then label dot. So I enter label dot phone number required. This is the label API name. The error location is the top of the page. So I will click on save. Okay, the validation rules is currently is active. So I will check with creating one new record in account object. So now I will create new account record. So we are getting that error message in here. So we can use the same custom label error message in wherever we want, like Apex class, flow, and lightning components like that. So yeah, this is how we can create custom labels in Salesforce. It's a very simple, but they are extremely useful for providing hard coding, reuse message, supporting multiple language, make maintenance easier. Whether you are admin or developer, custom labels are something you all use in almost every real world Salesforce project. I hope you understand this all these things. If you found this video is helpful, please subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.